Bay windows are a timeless feature that can completely transform a home. With their panoramic views, abundant natural light, and architectural elegance, they add both charm and value. For Redmond homeowners, bay windows are especially appealing, as they allow you to enjoy the beauty of the Pacific Northwest from the comfort of your living room, kitchen, or bedroom. But as stunning as bay windows are, their installation is not a do-it-yourself project. Here's why professional bay window installation is essential for homeowners in Redmond. Precise installation for a perfect fit. Bay windows are more complex than standard flat windows. They project outward from the home's structure, requiring precise measurements, careful framing, and expert sealing. Even a minor miscalculation during installation can lead to gaps, drafts, or water leaks. Professional installers have the training and tools to ensure your bay window is custom fitted to your home. This precision guarantees not only a beautiful appearance but also long-lasting performance in Redmond's variable climate. Weather resistance and energy efficiency. Redmond experiences plenty of rain throughout the year, along with chilly winters and mild summers. A poorly installed bay window can quickly become a source of drafts, condensation, or even water damage. By hiring professionals, you can be confident that your window will be properly sealed with the right materials to withstand the region's wet conditions. Many installation experts also recommend energy-efficient glass options, such as low-E coatings or double-pane designs, which help keep your home warm in winter and cool in summer. This not only protects your comfort but also lowers your utility bills. Enhanced safety and structural support. Because bay windows extend outward, they place additional weight and pressure on your home's exterior wall. Installing them incorrectly can compromise your home's structural integrity or create safety hazards. Professional installers understand how to reinforce the opening, frame, and support system so the bay window remains stable and secure. This is especially important for Redmond homes where strong winds or heavy rain are common. Proper installation ensures your window doesn't just look good, it's built to last safely. Maximizing natural light and views. Bay windows are known for their ability to flood interiors with natural light and provide wide, sweeping views. However, achieving the best results depends on correct placement, angle, and installation techniques. Professionals know how to optimize the installation so your bay window captures the maximum amount of light without creating glare or overheating certain rooms. They can also align the window to highlight your favorite outdoor views, whether it's your backyard garden or the lush greenery that Redmond is famous for. Boosting home value and aesthetics. A professionally installed bay window is a true investment in your home. It enhances curb appeal by adding architectural interest to the exterior, while inside, it creates a bright and inviting focal point. Because buyers in Redmond value both style and energy efficiency, a professionally installed bay window can increase your property's marketability. This makes it a smart upgrade not only for comfort but also for resale value. Peace of mind with warranties and expertise. Most professional window companies offer warranties on both the product and installation. This means if an issue arises, you're protected. DIY or poorly executed installations, on the other hand, can void manufacturer warranties and leave you responsible for costly repairs. When you choose a trusted installer, you also gain access to their expertise. They can recommend the best window styles, materials, and finishes for Redmond's climate and your personal design goals. Final thoughts for Redmond homeowners. Bay windows are more than just an upgrade. They're a way to enjoy natural light, beautiful views, and a more spacious feel in your home. But to unlock all these benefits, professional installation is a must. From ensuring weather resistance and structural safety to maximizing beauty and efficiency, expert installers deliver results that last. If you're considering a bay window for your Redmond home, invest in professional installation. It's the surest way to enhance your living space, protect your investment, and enjoy the very best of what bay windows have to offer.